Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you how to download, or how I download and install cmder. I'm going to Google cmder. I get the full version because I work with Node.js, and that includes, or that's included in the full download. Feel free to get the smaller version of that. So the thing with this is when you run it, when you download it and you run it, it doesn't install and give you the choice where to install it. It runs directly from the directory. So what I do is copy the files out, and rather than me deleting them, because I clean my downloads out occasionally, I'm going to copy all the files, navigate to my C drive, put it into program files. And you can see I've already got a cmder folder. Sorry, it's in the 86 one. So you can see I've got the cmder folder there. My files are in here, but you just paste. So you create the cmder folder and paste them in, and then you can double click the cmder exe that you see there, and that will run your program from that directory.